Hey guys, I'm at Jeff's. He's trimming his tree. That's his bucket truck. He's throwing that hanger down. He just said it might fall on the wire, so yeah. He has his MS-192T up there. Maybe I'll get a video of that later. I'll probably post a picture of it on our Facebook page, Mr. Kyle148, and Real Life Landscaping on YouTube. So yeah. At least it didn't hit the wires. It's a Ford F800, I think. Alright, so there might be another video of some bigger stuff he'll be cutting. It's on the other side of the tree. Well, the second tree, actually. So, yep. Bye.